Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you add a shortcut on iPhone or iPad. So guys, it's very easy to add a shortcut on iPhone or iPad. At first just go to shortcut. Now to add a new shortcut, just click the top right this plus, and here you can see add action. In the top click on add action. Now you can add action through many kind of things here. I'm giving it a web. Now scroll and you can just do any web you want. I'm going for this. And after that, in the top here you can see this icon and click on add to home screen, this option, the second last. You can choose anything you want. You can choose photo if you want from your gallery, and click the top right add. And here you can see this one. If I click on this, it will be automatically take me to ChatGPT. Here you can see I'm in ChatGPT. So guys, that's how you can add a shortcut on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.